Several students and staff with the Crandon School District fell ill on Thursday from a carbon monoxide leak.
Local 5's Katie Amrine was there and gives us the update from the school.
It will be another 2 weeks before students and staff can return to the Crandon School District following a carbon monoxide leak. On Thursday, March 14th, the district building was evacuated after some people started having symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. 39 people were sent to the hospital for their symptoms. Investigators say a mechanical issue with a furnace was to blame for the leak. The school will now be closed until April 2nd after spring break, while crews work to make sure the furnace is repaired. A statement from the school district says, "We understand the inconvenience this may cause and appreciate your patience and understanding as we work diligently to resolve this matter. As we continue to plan out this upcoming week, we are working towards a date where we will be able to have staff assist families and students to obtain their personal belongings." While we are unsure if carbon monoxide detectors were installed in the school, Wisconsin law does not require them. We'll keep you updated as more information comes about, but for now, in Crandon, Katie Amrine, Local 5 News.